What's inspiring about Mariana has to be her creative, positive, determined attitude and personality. Whenever we would have a meeting with Student Philanthropy Council, when it came to planning about a project or working on a project, she always had such a great passion for it. And it seemed only natural that she would win such an award. Not only being such a young individual, but she's, from being a young individual, has impacted and tried to impact from day one. Mariana, this is such a great honor for you. I couldn't think of anybody else more deserving for such an award. I found myself so fortunate that we were able to meet each other in the Student Philanthropy Council. We worked on so many various projects that helped to not only bring awareness about philanthropy and nonprofit work to different students, but then also being able to give back.
Mariana was one of the very first people I met on campus. We met my freshman year while I was joining Alpha Omega Epsilon, which is a professional and technical science sorority on campus. When you're first joining the sorority, you're able to talk with all the active members and kind of give a preference for who you would like to serve as your mentor. And I instantly knew I wanted Mariana, and so I definitely remember the moment I found out and being very excited. Mariana, I am super proud of you and everything you've accomplished up until this point. I'm so lucky to be able to call you a friend and mentor. You are so creative and kind, and I can't wait to celebrate with you when I'm able to see you next.